Welcome back, friends. In today's video, I'll be showcasing beautiful concrete planters. A simple do-it-yourself video tutorial for creating amazing decorations. Concrete planters make for a fantastic addition both indoors and outdoors around the house. Often found in stores with a hefty price tag, they tend to be large and extremely heavy. The solution? Make your own. Even if you might not want to dive straight into extensive concrete projects, you can start small. Once you realize how addictive this activity can be, you'll definitely want to continue. Let's get started. Materials needed. Cement or bagged concrete. Ready-made cement produces a smoother, more uniform surface. Bagged concrete is mixed with fine gravel. For our project, we used cement. Paint, not necessary, but it adds uniqueness to your planters. Whether you choose spray or canned paint is up to you. Plastic containers, cups, or anything that comes to mind with an interesting shape. Try not to choose anything too intricate, as you might be disappointed in the end. Plastics, stainless steel, and other materials easily release from cured concrete when the mold is coated with non-stick spray or oil before adding the concrete. Water. Adhesive tape. Mixing tool, something to mix the cement with water. Sandpaper. Procedure. Mix water with cement. Not too thin, not too thick. It should have a creamy consistency to hold its shape. Coat all molds with cooking oil to prevent the mixture from sticking. Fill the containers with concrete up to about 2/3 of the volume and tap the container to eliminate air bubbles. Place a smaller diameter container into the center of the filled container to create space for soil and flowers. Coat this container with oil as well, but on the outside. You can add stones for weight and secure the position with tape. Let it harden for at least 24 hours. If you're patient, feel free to let it harden for more days. Avoid direct sunlight during the hardening process, as the planter might crack. After hardening, remove all molds, and you can sand and refine any imperfections. If the castings are still wet, let them dry, and you can start with the color treatment. If you enjoyed the video, click on subscribe to our YouTube channel. How did it all turn out? Check out the photo gallery of finished products for inspiration.